guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do another book flip through just in case you were interested in seeing the inside of these. This is one I've had for a while, actually a couple years, or let's see what the copyright is. It's a beautiful book. 2018 it was first published, and this is by Harry and Zana Goldhawk, and it's called The Creature Garden, an Illustrator's Guide to Beautiful Beasts and Fictional Fauna. So if you love flora and fauna and beasts of nature, it's just a beautiful book. And I don't know if you can see, it's kind of has a raised, this is all raised up, so it's very pretty finish there. It's a little sloth. So anyways, as you can see from the end papers, beautiful, beautiful work. So I'm going to quickly flip through it. It's a larger book, many, let's see how many pages, 147 pages. So I'm just going to give kind of the highlights, but hopefully that'll help you if you're interested in checking that out. The table of contents goes through tools, materials, sketchbooks, patterns, mammals, ocean life, birds, insects, mythical creatures, botanicals, and then some extra behind the scenes stuff. So you can see everything is really, really pretty. Let me center that up a little bit. I've got my paintbrushes drying. So here's some personal pictures that they go through tools, materials, sketchbooks, tutorials, digital painting versus a watercolor painting versus paint pens, pencil crayons, and gouache. So just to kind of give you an idea there. Patterns, so animal prints. All right, and then this is the chapter on mammals. That's just very, very pretty. So we have big cats, and it goes through doing the faces, the back legs, and then the body. Nice step by step here. Jaguar, lion, snow leopard, tiger, and then a finished piece, a white tiger. It's beautiful. And then we've got regular sized cats walking there, dogs, all different kinds, wolves, so you can kind of see the shapes and how you build up that motion, foxes, horses, one of my personal favorites, hooves, the red deer. It's nice they give you the Latin if you're interested in that. Antlers, hares, the red panda, the sloth, giant panda, brown bear, Asian elephants, tusks, giraffes, then goes into ocean life, the orca and whales, humpback whale, the narwhal, the common dolphin. And if you need to go slower or pause, then go ahead and do that. I don't want to make my video too long for you, but you can always pause and then see the picture there. Try to keep my hands out of the way. Pantropical dolphin, dolphin patterns, so the stippling, giant Pacific octopus, that's fun. All the tentacles, tropical fish, sea dragon, that's one of my favorite. And then birds, we've got, of course, the mute swan, peacock, the crane, owls, flamingo, and then smaller birds. And then the insect section. So we have butterflies, moths, damselflies, bumblebees, mythical creatures, the phoenix, fairies. It's such a nice variety here, really something for everybody. Mermaids, centaur, PEGASUS, unicorns, the griffin, mythical plumage patterns. The hippogriff, that's really pretty. Dragons, dragon horns. And then it gets into botanicals. And you can see all the beautiful pattern here. So like the garden and lots of instruction along the way. Jungle, ocean plants and coral. And then some back stuff here. And again, the beautiful end papers. Just lovely. I think that it's just a beautiful, beautiful book and well worth the investment if you love, oh, that was so cute. Those little, just very nicely done, very well organized, and very inspiring. And I think it'd be a good tool if you love painting, drawing, just bettering your own art. I think it's a great, great book to get. And then, again, the difference, showing you the difference between the watercolor, the digital, the paint pens, pencil crayons, and gouache. Just is kind of helpful to see how layering your color and so forth. So, beautiful book. I thought I'd flip through that. If you're interested in getting that, I highly recommend this book. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.